Hello friends, I am Muhammed Yücesan. In this video to you, enveloping our worlds like veins in a human body, a kind of blood flow. I will talk about electric poles. The network equipment used in transmission and distribution lines, which is used to keep the conductors in the air at a certain distance from each other, and is placed at the appropriate range and height along the line, is called pole. The types of poles vary according to the place of use and the voltage level. Iron poles. They are poles made of iron steel that can be produced and used for all voltage levels. Iron poles are produced with painted, welded and galvanized bolts. Painted welded iron poles are used in A and latticed poles in medium and low voltage, and galvanized bolted ones are used in place where a high voltage and chemical effects are present. Disadvantages of iron poles. Its cost is high due to its raw material. Their maintenance costs are high. Since its material is a conductive material, it's not very safe against leakage currents. It's affected by weather conditions. Advantages of iron poles. Peak strength is high and long life. It's easy to move as it assembles at the place where it will be installed. They are easy to maintain and repair. Concreted poles. It's obtained by using high-strength steel wire or steel rods with concrete obtained by mixing cement, water and additives in appropriate proportions. Vibration or centrifuge method is used for suitable concrete pole production. While the poles produced by the centrifuge method are hollow, the poles produced by the vibration method are filled. The spinning method is to remove the excess water in the concrete and to obtain a very tight, impermeable concrete. The cross-section of the poles made by this method is circular. Its outer face is smooth. Advantages of concrete poles. Concrete poles are cheaper and longer lasting than iron poles. Concrete poles require very little maintenance. Peak forces are large, not affected by atmospheric events much, safe against leakage currents. Disadvantages of concrete poles. It's difficult to transport because they are fragile and in one piece. It's difficult to install because they are heavy. Tree poles. Since they are adversely affected by weather conditions and insects, they are subject to copper sulfate impregation or tearing process. Their mechanical strength is low. For this reason, the distance between the poles should be short and the voltage of the line should not be high. In order to partially prevent rain and snow waters from damaging the pole, the top of the pole is cut at a 45-degree angle. To carry conductors on wooden poles, insulators can be attached directly to pole or pole conditions. Friends, we came to the end of video. My purpose in this video is what are the electric poles we see around us every day? What is it? Why are they different types? It was to be able to answer these questions. If we could answer even a little about electric pole types, how happy to me.